Hello. Sermon box time with us here at the rectory.
This isn't the rectory. Oh, wait.
Yeah, it is. So what we're going to do today is we have what we've been normally doing. Delia gives me a sermon box that I have to come up with on the spot. I have no idea what it is.
Really?
Nothing.
Are you sure you don't sneak into my room late at night?
I don't.
And just take a little sneaky peek?
I don't, but now I might. Now that you've given me the idea, I might. Thank you.
I don't put them in the box before.
Ah, darn. Okay, so
Do I?
Or does she? So she has to give me one, and I have to come up with a sermon on the spot. And people have been sending in suggestions for Delia that she has to make up a sermon on the spot about. This one, I believe, is from one Elsa. So,
Elsa Maroney.
So we'll see what that is.
I'm in for trouble.
Who do you want? You want me to go first or you?
I want to go first.
You want to go first? Okay. I didn't have a box big enough to put it in, but she sent me a picture of what it's supposed to be.
Okay.
You ready?
Okay. Tissue box. The ever holy tissue box.
Would you like to think about it while I go on my sermon box?
Sure.
Okay, you think about it. Remember, it has to have something to do with God. That's the rule.
Well, that's stupid.
Okay, while Delia thinks about that.
Oh, I have one.
Go for it.
So, what do you all use tissues for? You use them to blow your nose, preferably when you're sick. And sometimes God and Jesus might get sick.
Jesus in particular, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, so they sometimes need to use tissues too. And we have to remember, even though we get sick, Jesus and God still love us.
Yeah, doesn't really
Because
matter.
they get sick too.
Right.
So
no matter what,
Jesus.
So what you're saying is Jesus is like us and with us no matter what.
Yes.
That's good. All right, well done.
And that has to do with tissues.
Sure does. Just as much as anything else I ever say does. Ready? Here we go. Sermon box. I did not expect this. It's a roll of tape. Scotch tape. Yes. So like the nice clear tape. Okay, I know what I'm going to say about this.
Yeah.
So.
What? Something about God and Jesus piecing things together?
Oh no, that's pretty good. I was going to say something else, but that's not bad.
Can't use that then.
I won't. I'll use what I was going to use. So for me, there have been times in the last few weeks since we've been in quarantine where I've needed something to hold me together. Like literally, like I feel like I might be going crazy at times, and I need
Get a
something.
blanket.
Yeah, like wrap it up in a blanket. Yeah, but for me,
just make yourself a blanket, and if anybody comes in and tries to disturb you, just don't talk to them.
that's possible. That's
what I do.
It's a Delia routine. Yeah, but
I just glare at people until they go away.
That's not wrong. That's true. So for me, what has been really helpful for me has been prayer and having like moments of calmness and fun. That has really like held me together and held me in God's love. And so without like the glue, the stickiness of like a glue that's on the back of tape, adhesive. Thank you. Without adhesive, that adhesive of the Spirit, I don't know where I'd be right now. You came up with the right word. So prayer is like that adhesive that keeps us all together in these times and keeps us a little bit sane. Okay. Thank you, Delia. Well done.
People.
Send us in a picture of what you'd like Delia to do her sermon box on. Let's make it a hard one.
And use those tissues, people.